Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the updated process of allowing site images permission on Google Chrome for PC. If you've noticed that images aren't displaying on certain websites, this quick tutorial will help you adjust the settings to ensure you can view all the content you want. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to your web experience, so make sure it's up and running. Next, navigate to the site you want to adjust. Type in the web address of the site where you're having trouble seeing images and hit enter. Once the page loads, we'll proceed to change its settings. Now, look to the left of the web address bar. You'll see a small icon that indicates site information. Click on this icon to view site information. This will bring up a small window with various details about the site's permissions. From here, select Site Settings. This option allows you to manage what permissions are granted to this specific website, including whether images can be displayed. Once you're in the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Images. Here, you will see options related to image permissions for that site. Next to Images, there will be a drop-down menu. To allow images from this site, simply choose Allow from the drop-down menu. This action will enable the site to display images without any restrictions. Remember, these changes save automatically, so there's no need for a save button. After selecting Allow, you can close this Settings tab and return to your website. Congratulations! You've successfully adjusted the image permissions for that specific site in Google Chrome. Now you should be able to view all images without any issues. If you encounter any further problems or have questions about other settings in Chrome, feel free to explore more tutorials or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!